A circle has equation x minus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 25. Find the coordinates of the centre C and the length of the diameter. Find the equation of the line which passes through C and the point P 72. Calculate the length of CP, and hence determine whether P lies inside or outside the circle. Determine algebraically whether the line with equation y equals 2x meets the circle. So let's have a look at this then. Here we go. So here's the question in summary form. So the first thing is to find the centre and the diameter. Well, the centre is at 5 and minus 2. C is at 5 is the x coordinate, and the y coordinate will be minus 2, won't it? So there's our centre. Diameter. Well, the radius would be this square rooted, which is 5, so the diameter is 10 centimetres, or 10 units, isn't it? Okay, part 2. Find the line through C and P. So let's have a look at that then, part 2. C is 5 minus 2, P is 7, 2. So y minus, let's take it through P, 2 is equal to the gradient times x minus 7. Now the gradient here is the increase in y from P to C or C to P. So the increase in y goes from here, we'll go from here to here. 2 minus minus 2 is 4. So that's the increase in y, which is 4, divided by the increase in x, which is 7 minus 5 is 2. So that's equal then 2x minus 7, which is equal to, expand the bracket, 2x minus 2 sevens of 14. So that tells us then that y is equal to 2x. Move the minus 2 over to plus 2. Minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12. So there's our line then. Through C and P, which was part 2. Now part 3, calculate the length CP. So let's do the length then, using Pythag. Length C to P is equal to the square root of the difference in the x squareds. 7 to 5 is 2, so that's 2 squared. Difference in the y squared would be 4, so that's 4 squareds. So it's 16 plus 4 is root 20, which is 5 fours, so it's 2 root 5. And again, tap that in the calculator if you need to simplify the third there, 2 root 5, part 3. And determine if P is inside or outside the circle. So we've got length CP, the centre. We determined the distance is 2 root 5, which is root 20. Now that's here. CP squared is equal to 20, which is less than 25. So because it's less than the radius squared, then the P must lie inside. It lies inside the circle. So that's part 3. Determine whether y equals 2x meets the circle. So here's our circle then. Let's just grab it. I'll just move that down now because I'm going to use this circle and substitute in the line y equals 2x. So let's work with this then. Part 4. And we've got y equals 2x. Now if it meets the circle, when we substitute this in, we'll get a quadratic in x which will only have one solution. If it had no solutions, then the line wouldn't touch the circle. If it had two solutions, it would cut the circle. If we have equal roots, in other words one root, then it will touch the circle or meet it. So let's sub in this then. So here we've got x squared. I'm going to expand this bracket, minus 10x plus 25. Here we can put 2x in here. So when we square this bracket, we'll get 4x squareds. Plus 4 is plus 8x plus a 4. Minus, I'm going to bring the 25 over at the same time, equals 0. So we've got x squared and 4x squared is 5x squared. X is minus 10 plus 8 is minus 2 x's. And numbers 25 plus 4 minus 25 is plus a 4 equals 0. Okay, so we've got a 5x and an x, which has got to be if it factorized, which it doesn't look like it's going to. 4 ones, 4 ones. It doesn't. That doesn't work. That doesn't work, and 2 2s doesn't work either. So there's no solution there. So there's no solution there. Let's have a look at the discriminant then. Here, b squared, which is 4, minus 4 times a, 5, times c, which is 4, is equal to 4 minus 5, 20, 80. 4 minus 80, this is 20 times 4 is 80, is minus 76 is less than 0. So, no roots. And the circle and the line does not cut the circle. Does not meet or cut the circle. Meet is a slightly ambiguous term, isn't it? Because it could mean meet in the sense that it could cut it in 2 places, but the point is it doesn't even meet, so to speak, the circle in any way, shape or form, because there's no roots.